Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to log into PostFinance Switzerland. First, open your internet browser and go to the PostFinance official website. Once the homepage is open, look at the top right corner. You will see a button labeled Login. Click on it. A new page will open where you can access the eFinance login area. On this page, you have a few ways to log in. The first option is by entering your email and password. Click the email field and type in your email carefully. Then move to the password field and type your password. If several people use the same eFinance participation, you will also need your user identification. You can find this in your eFinance opening documents or in the PostFinance app if you are registered. Enter this information carefully to continue. Another option is logging in with the QR code. This is the fastest way to log in. On the login page, you will see a QR code. Open the PostFinance app on your smartphone and select the option to scan a QR code. Point your phone camera at the QR code on the screen. You can also use a browser extension on your PC to scan the code. After scanning the QR code and confirming in the app or extension, you will be logged in automatically. Once you are logged in, you can access your accounts and manage your finances securely. Thanks for watching.